As coffee is becoming the world's green gold, did you know that there is a relationship between coffee and bees? Yes, in this video, we are going to show you how integrating beekeeping with coffee growing can boost the yield and incomes. For coffee farmers, consider integrating beekeeping into your operations. The symbiotic relationship between coffee and bees boosts pollination, yields, and quality. Bees pollinate coffee flowers, increasing yields by up to 20%, while coffee plants provide nectar and pollen for the bees. For optimum results, maintain at least 3 beehives per acre of your coffee shamba. This balance ensures adequate pollination without overcrowding, promoting healthy bee colonies. By keeping bees, coffee farmers can enhance pollination and yields, support biodiversity and ecosystem health. Develop a secondary income stream through honey production. Honey from coffee bees is priced higher due to the unique honey flavor profile. Coffee honey has notices of chamomile, chocolate, and fruit. Coffee flowers bloom briefly, making the honey rare. Coffee plants produce nutrient-rich pollen, making the honey of high quality. Coffee honey is characterized by the dark amber to brown color, thick and smooth texture with a distinctive aroma. Thank you for watching. We hope you have learned a few lessons that will help you change the way you do things on your farm. Please subscribe, like, comment, and follow us for more insight and lessons on farming as a business.